Hello, we are doing 12.5b today, finding the center and the radius of a circle. I think you'll all be able to do this already, just based on what we did yesterday. And this lesson is probably even shorter than yesterday's, so you're sitting in a good spot right now. We are going to find the center and radius given this standard equation. Just remember that when you're finding the center, it's always the opposite of what it looks like, because the formula is x minus your h value squared, and then it's y minus your k value squared, right? So this number is positive when there's a subtraction sign in front of it. If it's an addition sign, that means that number was actually negative, because then we did minus a negative. So if you look here, you have a 4 and a 2. This one's minus 4, this one's plus 2. So it's actually going to be a positive 4 and a negative 2, because it should be x minus what number? 4. Y minus, in order to make it a plus, it would have to be a negative 2 to be a plus a positive 2. So 4, negative 2 is your center, and then your radius, this is r squared. So if r squared is 16, then your radius, square root that, would be 4. And then what you do to graph it, your center is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 2. Okay, so there's our center. And then you just move a radius of 4 in every direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. And then you just freehand that circle. Okay. Just note, sometimes in the homework they give you numbers that are bigger. You can always count by a different number on your axes if your graph won't fit just counting by ones. So just keep that in mind, or maybe you're using grid paper and Notability to do the homework, then it's not quite so much an issue. But if you're using like 7 by 7 grids, count by something different, okay? Okay, so this one, find the center and the radius. Now this one is a plus and this one is a minus. So remember, it's the opposite of what it seems. So this would be a negative 2. This would be a positive 1. And then the radius is the square root of that number. So your radius here would be 3. And then we just plot it. Negative 2, 1 is this point. And then a radius of 3 means I'm going up 3, to the left 3, down 3, to the right 3, and then freehand that circle. And that is your answer. And that is the whole lesson, you guys. Short one. Just trying to finish up on a good note for all of you. So hopefully you're feeling on top of this. If you're not, please let me know. I would love to Zoom and help you out one-on-one if you feel like that would be more helpful. But that's it for 12.5b.